Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I just want to say we appreciate you, we love you, we thank you for everything that you have done, and without you, we wouldn't be here. So thank you. Happy Mother's Day to you, wherever you are sheltered in place. I hope the family has called, has sent food, flowers, and everything that they could do to just make you feel like you are special and indeed loved. Okay. Now, this video, if this is the first time that you're running into me, this will be my Mother's Day gift to you. And my name is Jefrey M. You're on my channel, Passive Income for You, more than likely watching this video. The reason I've put this together is to be able to help a bunch of people who may be out of work right now as a result of this pandemic and shelter in place that we got going on. A lot of businesses have shut their doors, a lot of people out of work, but the bills keep on coming. So what we're going to be talking about in this video is how to build a profitable online business right now from the comforts of your own home. I know some of you guys are watching this and thinking to yourselves, I have no idea how to start. Don't worry about it. We're going to break it all down step by step. And you may be watching this wondering and thinking, you know what, I've thought about this and I just didn't have time. Well, the good thing is we have all the time in the world. Now is the time to get started and get going. And you can see the page that we're on. Wealthy Affiliate is a platform designed for all affiliate marketers, of all levels. But I want to tell you guys, I've been with this platform for a while now, and there's more than just affiliate marketing resources and support that you can get from it, which is why I wanted to bring this to your attention, so that way you can get the benefit and start taking advantage of the platform, using it to build a business online right now. Okay, so as you can see at the top, education, websites, hosting, domains, community, success, about us. Feel free to scroll through this at your own time if you want to just take more time to research the platform and understand what they have to offer. Where I wanted to direct your attention is to this particular banner here on this page, so that you guys can see there's so many benefits, but as you can see, there's a starter and there's a premium. There's only two different membership levels, two different opportunities for you. You can be a starter member, which is absolutely free, which is the way I started. And when I saw the value in what the teaching, what the training had to offer, I decided to upgrade my membership to a premium membership and take full advantage of the opportunity to build a business online. So there is, again, a $0 a month for a starter membership, and you can be a starter member for life. You don't have to upgrade after so long. You can choose a starter membership and be fine with that for as long as you use the platform. But I believe that most people that start out see the value in the training and in the education, so they upgrade to premium so that they can get the full access to all the tools and training on the platform. Okay, but remember, you never have to. The reason I wanted to share this with a lot of people is because now more than ever, there's the need to be able to make money. There's the need to be able to take care of yourselves and your family. But with the shelter in place, you're stuck at home and you may not have anything to do to be able to generate income. Well, this is a solution that you can start taking advantage of right now to build a brand, build a business around anything that your heart desires. You don't have to be an expert in anything, but use the knowledge and the information that you've already acquired from your life experiences. Find a way to align that either with a product or a service that you can promote that already exists as an affiliate, and you can make money that way. Or if you would like to introduce a product or service to the marketplace and build a business and build a brand around that product or service, you can use this platform as a way to develop your website, to be able to do your marketing and get the product and service to the masses, to the forefront, so that the people who need this product or service that you have created can see it, pay you for it, and again, spread the news that your business is solving problems in the marketplace. That's how this whole thing works. But the main thing that you want to do is take advantage. If you are interested in building a business, if you're interested in changing your life, get registered with Wealthy Affiliate. Get signed up absolutely free. There's a link to get started. What I want you to do with this video, the reason I created is they're changing the premium membership for the annual members. There's a way to save even more money and take advantage of the platform resources. So as you can see, $49 a month turns into $600 for the year. If you took advantage of a Black Friday special, which is offered once a year during Black Friday, you could join this platform for $2.99 for the entire year, which is less than $1 a day. But for the resources and the benefits that you're going to get, I mean, it's unheard of. So that's why I am putting this video out and encouraging you to take advantage of it, because I believe tomorrow is the last day that this is going to be available to you. And they're changing the structure where that annual membership is going up to, I think, $459 on a normal basis. Without the Black Friday special, it's $359. So I think it's going up $459, which is still less than $600 if you're doing the monthly $49 a month, as you can see. However, there's a unique opportunity to take advantage of $2.99 for the year. So again, if we're all in a situation where money's a little bit tight and we can save some, then let's do that. That's why I'm sharing this opportunity at this time. But the opportunity for you to be a member, like I said, without spending anything and still earning while you learn, is available as a starter for $0. So don't forget that. I don't want to drag this video along too much, but I want you guys to see here, there are certainly lots of benefits to joining the Wealthy Affiliate platform. If you've been interested in finding a legit program for you to make money online, this is it. Look no further. Feel free to click the link, share this with friends, family, anybody that might be interested in making money online. I really appreciate your help. What we'll try to do is share this to as many people and get the opportunity out there. Click the button and you'll be invited to go ahead and join and share this on your Facebook page. If this is something that you'd be able to do for me, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll put together some bonuses that I could put out there and share with you as well for your efforts in helping me get the word out there for this. Thanks again. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Again, for the mothers who are watching, happy Mother's Day. Hope you guys are enjoying it, and stay safe as we fight through this pandemic and keep on pushing forward. Let's use this time to just get better so that when everything gets back to normal, we'll be able to say that we've grown and we've experienced better things during the time frame besides sitting back and watching TV and catching up on our shows. Till the next time, till the next video, you guys stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.